Hi family, and today we're going to be cooking chicken feet.
Okay. This is one of my things that I left off on the 19th of June that I didn't get done, so, because I couldn't find the chicken feet. So, and I'm doing the chicken feet today. And my Malachi is going to help do the chicken feet. And then he's going to help tasting the chicken feet. How about that? I don't know if anybody else is interested in doing it, but Malachi said he will try it.
I've never tried chicken feet before.
Okay. So, all right. We're getting ready to get started with the chicken feet.
I have tasted regular chicken and different kind of flavor.
Okay.
But I haven't tasted chicken feet. Never.
All right. So these are my chicken feet. And we cut the toenails off. And they're on the inside of the chicken feet. This is what you call a callus, like you have on your foot or on my foot. But when you get ready to cook them, and we cut the toenails off. So now they have already been washed and cleaned in vinegar water, and they've been already soaked and everything. So now you see how pretty clean and white they are. So now I'm going to get ready to put out, I'm going to be using my egg batter with just an egg and milk, which is, I'm using organic milk. I'll be using salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and complete. Now inside of my flour, I'm putting the argo cornstarch in order for this to help the flour to stick to the legs when I get ready to drop it off in the hot water after I put it in the egg batter, feet batter, the chicken feet in the batter. I'm sorry if I said the chicken legs, chicken feet that go in the batter. Okay, so these are some of the things that my grandparents and grandmothers and grandangers and all of those people they did cook them and they ate them. And I don't remember how they taste to me because it's been a long time since I've tried the food with them. Okay, but anyway, I was trying to get them in on the 19th of June. So now I'm going to be putting all of my ingredients on them, okay? I'm starting with the onion powder, with the garlic powder, okay. I'll be starting with the garlic powder. I'm going to put them out. I've already tried to dry them off on this. Well, I have the paper towels here, so they wouldn't be so wet. So I've already soaked them with the paper towels and tried to dry them off. All right, so now, all right, let me see. All right, now I'm getting ready now to put my ingredients on.
Onion powder.
Garlic powder. This is the garlic powder. Okay. And that's the onion powder.
That's onion powder, y'all.
Yeah, that's what I told me right now. All right, that's enough onion powder right now. Okay.
It's gonna be
And I'm putting some complete on it.
Tastes like.
Oh, damn, okay.
I think I'll put too much onion. I can smell it from right here.
Okay. Wait, that's black pepper. I mean, I don't want to put too much black pepper on. I don't know if Kaka might not like black pepper. Malachi may not like black pepper because it makes you sneeze. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting a little salt.
The black pepper.
It makes me sneeze too.
Salt. Don't put
a
too
little
much
salt on.
Because it's gonna.
Okay. I'm not putting much, so now I have to do them like this in order to get them all ready for the batter. I do them and fix them up. We'll get ready for we put them in. I'll put them in the batter.
Cold.
Just get it all on there real good.
Seasoning.
Okay. So I'm putting. I'm gonna put more seasoning inside the flour while he works with seasoning on the outside, okay? This is the garlic powder that I'm putting in. And I'll be putting in
I think
some.
you barely got none on the seasoning.
Yeah, you got plenty on there, but I'm putting it in now here in the bag also.
Don't wipe it off.
No, I'm trying to spread it.
Okay.
Because there's barely no seasoning in it. Just flinging all in my arm. Ah! It's flying off the plate. Jeez. Stay back on.
Okay. Now, just a tiny bit more salt. I'll go in here. Okay.
This should
And then I'm going to shake it up.
be
Shake the bag up so I can
one more scoop.
get season the bag. Okay. Okay. Now I'm ready to put the chicken leg feet into the batter,
Yeah.
and from the batter they will go into the flour. Okay.
Boy.
Okay.
This is gonna be delicious.
I
Okay.
have never tasted
I know you
So-
never tasted. But we're
I'm
gonna
not
see
sure.
if you like them.
how they're going to taste.
It's gonna taste like fried chicken.
Yeah, right here.
Okay. I don't know if may be able to get all of them in the skillet at once. It's not that many.
You might, because it's a big skillet.
Okay, now. Put them in the bag.
I suck them.
All right, it's kind of shake them up a little bit. Now put the others in there. Is that all of them in?
Yeah.
Okay.
They are.
Okay, we finna head over to the fryer.
I'm getting ready to put it in. The grease is getting, where it's popping. So I guess it's getting ready. Put it in. And put it in. Then can't just drop it. You gotta put it down there closer. No. Drop your hand down there easy. All right.
Looks like I was gonna put my hand on.
Shake flour off though, Kai. In the bag. Not in the
Ooh.
skillet. Go and put it in there.
I should have left the plate over there. Okay.
I had no water on my hand. There's pop. Can I still pop?
I guess they want to put some more in there, Granny.
Huh?
I guess they want to put some more in there.
Now I'm looking at that because just in
Okay,
case
yeah.
that's the pop.
Okay, here's Kai.
Here. I'm just gonna put that one in. Put it on the other side where it's not in there. On that side over there. Yeah, okay. You can't do it. Oh, okay.
Just in case the pop come out.
Yeah, it's gonna be popping.
You put one right there in the corner right here, Kai.
What one? That can be.
Okay. Okay. Wait a minute, turn it over on the other. Oh, turn over the feet of you. Yeah, okay. Okay, now put it in like that. Okay.
Where the feet are. Just in
There's another small one. You want to put that? Put that one right there. I think we'll be able to get all of them in there. I don't know. I'm gonna try anyway.
I'm bagging there because of the.
Wait a minute, I gotta put the other one.
The other guy said he wanted to be a chef when he grew up. He learning from his granny. He have all her recipes he can take wherever he goes. Right? So I've been cooking since I was how old? 6.
7.
No,
Okay.
6.
All right, now.
2 years.
Got them all in there. They're going in trash now. Get my bread so I can wipe the stove off. That's all right. I don't have more of those. So.
I thought we'd be back once that side get brown.
Huh?
I thought we'd be right back once that side get brown.
Okay.
Hold up.
Okay, I'm turning my chicken feet over.
They're getting brown.
They're looking pretty.
It kind of looks like regular chicken.
Yeah, they do just feet.
Yeah, but we can't see the feet right now because they're both.
I know. Look just go on it.
Mm-hmm. I wonder if I bubble pop them. I felt something burning my arm.
Just put ice on it. Those look so good and delicious.
They're pretty brown.
The buffy. I'm going to take chocolate.
You wait for the chicken feet to get ready?
Yeah.
You can't wait, huh? So you can taste it.
Yeah. Can I have a taste?
That's right. When you be a chef, you'll know the recipe. Like, I'm gonna put that on my recipe for at my restaurant. You're gonna open when you open your restaurant, huh? What's the name of your restaurant gonna be? Miss Lena's.
Yeah.
You're my head chef.
Yes.
You're my head chef. This is my head chef now. He's my head chef. Gonna be him. He's gonna be my head chef. Then when I get too old to do something, I'm gonna sit in the chair and I'll tell him how to do it. He's gonna get it done. Right? All right. All right.
Okay, we'll be back when it's ready.
All right.
1 second.
This is the final touches of the chicken feet. This is one of the other things that I wanted. That I want you to know that what the slavery that the people did back in the day when they were slaves. They have the chicken feet. And with the chicken feet, but we had to cut the toes off, and also had to cut the yeah. All right, so everybody now, so now you see what the chicken feet looks like after it's cooked, and the children is going to take a taste of the chicken feet. I know this will be the first time that they ever had the chicken feet, and they look like they may have quite a bit of meat on it. I don't know, but anyway, they're kind of hot, but I'm going to let them get one and let them do a taste test for you. It's really hot now. It's hot now. It's hot.
Mmm.
I don't bring it off, so.
It tastes pretty good.
Mm-hmm. I'm not going to come off, so I just get it.
How it tastes?
Good.
Oh, no, that's pretty good.
It's real good.
Mm-hmm.
Do it taste good?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All right.
What does it taste like?
And try it.
It tastes like regular chicken.
Kind of like the pork.
It's like crackling. Like he said, it tastes like pork rind. Like pork rinds.
It kind of tastes like regular chicken.
Oh, wait. All
Poodle
right.
said it tastes like pork rinds.
Okay, Poodle said it tastes like pork rind.
Mhm.
I think I put it
And
on
Kaka said it tastes like regular chicken.
bone.
Oh, you got the other bones in it. It does have, it's bony, it
I
has
bet
bones
right
in
here.
it because it just have a little skin and a little meat in, on over cover the bones, okay. So what did it taste like to you, Michael?
Nothing. That's regular chicken feet.
All right, just tastes like regular fried chicken to it. Yeah, all right. All right then.
So out of 1 to 10, what you give it?
10. 10.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah.
I 1 to 10, they give them 10, so pretty good chicken legs, sweet, brother.
Okay, Granny, taste the chicken feet.
All right, I guess I'll get me a little small one and taste it. If it's got a lot of bones in it, it takes me a little bit.
Good.
but, yeah.
So good.
Okay. It's good. Yeah.
It's crunchy. I hear y'all crunching. I hear all y'all crunching into it.
They got 1,000 crumbs on the floor.
No, please break down.
Good. It looks good.
Turn it on.
Hot.
Okay. It's very good. It still tastes like chicken. I mean, it is chicken, but I wasn't expecting it to taste that good as chicken would.
No, DJ.
You can eat a lot of. You can eat.
You just don't have a lot of meat on them. Okay. Everybody give the chicken feet a 10. So, ask from 1 to 10, gave it a 10, and I did too. So,
10.
only thing about it, you don't have very much meat on it, but what's on top is really tasty. Very good. You have to take your time,
Bone.
because it's very bony. But it is very good.
Oh, I broke the bone.
Bone.
Probably.
Put it down.
Okay, we finna go ahead and end the video. Y'all try this recipe.
Like,
Comment, subscribe,
and
hit the notification bell, and share, and press all.
Alright.
Lots of love from Miss Lena's kitchen. With all my love. Goodbye.